That wouldn't be a bad view to be looking at while you're having your breakfast of one of these two terraces. Today we're in Los Cristianos. We're looking at a one-bedroom apartment in Los Diamantes. Now, Los Diamantes has got 3 phases, and we're on phase 1 of those 3 phases. And this one-bedroom apartment's got 2 massive terraces, both of which got great views, obviously down to the sea. You can see that behind me, and from the front one, you look across the pool as well. So we've got a communal pool here from Los Diamantes, probably 15 minutes walk into the centre of town, probably a 10-minute walk down the hill, down to the beach down there as well. And we're sort of the market end of Los Cristianos, if you know what I mean. So let's have a look around. So coming in from the main entrance here, on the left hand side we've got the bedroom, good sized bedroom, large double bed in it, and some furniture. Now there is a wardrobe there without any doors. The owner has said he'll do something about that. Into the bathroom, a shower, these glass panels, toilet, and then a sink there, with some tiles on the floor which are plasticky, so I suppose it's to stop any water splashes coming over. So out of the bathroom on the left hand side we've got this big American style fridge freezer, and then into the lounge kitchen. So we've got a breakfast bar, and then we've got a kitchen, American style kitchen. There's a washing machine, that's handy to have if you're staying here for long term. So we've got a 4-ring hob there, oven, and then an extractor at the top. Plenty of storage space. On the breakfast bar we've got a microwave, and then we've got television, and then also a modern sofa which turns into a sofa bed. And outside here, this is really something. This terrace is big enough on its own. So you've got a nice L-shaped sort of seating area with a massive table. But then we've got down a couple of steps here, we've got another massive terrace. 2 sunbeds, 2 chairs and a table. And of course we've got that fantastic view down there up to sea. And then we've got the pool which is right below us here. So that's our 1-bedroom apartment in Los Diamantes phase 1 in Los Cristianos. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.